Okay, so there's a red fox, an adult red fox. The fox is approximately 110 centimeters long, and there's a chipmunk that is 22% of the fox. So the chipmunk is 22% of the length of the red fox. If the chipmunk is only 22% of his length, is the chipmunk smaller or bigger? Smaller. Okay, picture this big red fox, and the chipmunk is 22% of that. How much is what's the length of the red fox? What is the length of the red fox? How many centimeters? So the red fox, the chipmunk is 22% of 110, right? The red fox is 110 centimeters. How do you calculate percent of a number? What do I do with this percent? What's the first step? Turn it into a decimal. What's 22% as a decimal? Yes, no, 22. Of.
I can't do it.
Multiply 22% of 110 equals what? 24.2. Therefore, the approximate length, because they rounded the length of the red fox, the length of a chipmunk is approximately 24 centimeters. Does that make sense? The fox is 110 centimeters, and the chipmunk is about 24 centimeters. 4% commission. What that means is that if I sell a house that costs somebody $240,000, well, I don't get the $240,000. I'm going to get 4% of the price of the house. Well, I need to know, how much money am I getting? How much money am I going to earn? I'm making 4% of, copy this down, $240,000. So I want to sell this house because I want to make money off of it. Obviously, I can't make $240,000 because the money has got to go to the people that own the house, right? But I get a percentage of it because I need to get paid. I worked hard to sell this house, right? So what is 4% as a decimal? 0.04. When we're calculating percent of a number, what do? Multiply. So do this right now on your calculator. I want to know, how much money am I going to make? What am I earning? $9,600. Now, yes, that's a lot of money, but the more the house is worth, the more money I'm going to make. If I sell $1 million home, I'm going to take home a lot more money. The higher the amount of the house, the more money I'm going to earn. Now, think about this for a second. What if someone said to me, you know what, I'm not going to give you 4% of the sale, I'm going to give you 10%. I'm making even more money. Okay, so if I'm only making 4%, as a real estate agent, I get to take home $9,600 in my pocket.